If you want to record sounds on the Motorola Moto G56, all you have to do is go to the app drawer, and then you should be able to find the recorder app, which is of course used in order to record sound. So let's press get started. Let's grant the permission. There we go. And now over here, you can simply press this red button that we have at the bottom in order to start your first voice recording. So tap here, press yes in order to grant the permission. Select the recorder and allow do not disturb. Let's go back and tap again. And finally, now we can record our voice memos. Once you are done with the recording, you can just press this square button over here, because this one just pauses the recording. This one stops completely. You can set up the title. You have the details, of course. You can choose the folder where you want to save it, and then just press save. And there we go. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.